Understanding workshop evaluation. Enhance your learning experience. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic that many of you might come across in educational or professional settings: workshop evaluation. This concept is crucial not only for understanding feedback processes but also for improving the quality of workshops. Let's explore what it means and why it's so important. Stay tuned to demystify this term together. Before we delve deeper, let's break down the phrase, workshop evaluation, into two parts to better understand it. Workshop. This refers to a brief, intensive program designed for a small group of people who focus on techniques and skills in a particular field. It's a hands-on session where participants engage in discussions, activities, and learning exercises. Evaluation. Evaluation is the process of assessing or judging the value, quality, or performance of something. It involves collecting and analyzing information to make informed decisions. Putting them together, workshop evaluation is the process of assessing the effectiveness and impact of a workshop. This involves looking at how well the workshop met its objectives, the quality of presentation, the relevance of the material covered, and the participants' engagement and satisfaction. Workshop evaluation plays a key role in the learning process for several reasons. 1. Feedback for improvement. It provides valuable feedback to the organizers and facilitators about what worked well and what could be improved for future sessions. 2. Measuring effectiveness. Evaluation helps in measuring whether the workshop's goals were achieved and if the content was relevant to the participants' needs. 3. Enhancing learning experience. By understanding participants' perspectives, organizers can tailor future workshops to better suit their audience, enhancing the overall learning experience. 4. Accountability. It ensures that the resources allocated for the workshop are used effectively and that the workshop delivers value to its participants. Conducting a workshop evaluation involves several steps. 1. Define clear objectives. Before the workshop, clearly define what you aim to achieve. This will guide the evaluation process. 2. Use various tools. Utilize surveys, questionnaires, interviews, and observation as tools to gather feedback from participants. 3. Focus on key areas. Evaluate the workshop's content, delivery, engagement, logistics, and outcomes. 4. Analyze feedback. Collect and analyze the feedback systematically to identify trends, strengths, and areas for improvement. 5. Implement changes. Use the insights gained from the evaluation to make necessary adjustments to future workshops. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of workshop evaluation and its significance in enhancing educational and professional development experiences. Remember, effective evaluation is key to continuous improvement and success in any learning environment. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.